Hello and welcome to How to Guide. I'm going to teach you how you can stop Discord from running on your startup. So if you are sick and tired of Discord running right after you turn on your PC, then I'm going to solve this problem. What you need to do is click on right button on the start menu. Then go to Task Manager. After you go to Task Manager, you can see Starter Apps over here. So on the left hand side, right below App History, you can see Startup Apps. Go ahead and tap on it. After you tap on it, scroll a bit down and find Discord. So you can see the Discord icon over here. It is currently turned on Startup. Now you can see that you can click on it. Go ahead and right click on it and click on Disabled. So it is currently disabled now. So now it will not start up when you open your laptop or your PC. If you want to enable it again, go ahead and right click on your Start Manager and go to Task Manager over here. Then click on Startup Apps. Scroll a bit down and find Update over here. It is currently disabled. Go ahead and right click on it and enable it. If this is named as Discord, you can do this for the same. So this is the update of Discord. As soon as the update is over, the Discord will open up. So guys, this is how you disable Discord on the startup on your PC. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.